Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to complete the tour of the Dezerland Auto Museum for you, and it is just fantastic. Second part is gonna blow your mind. It literally contains everything themed and things that you've never thought of. So sit back, relax, and let's have some fun checking this out and blowing your mind on these cars. Now, let's go. Alright guys, so this is Car of the Stars or Hollywood. Miami Vice. Speed Racer. Guess who this is? Tom Selleck. Dick Tracy. Okay, the Saint 007, I think. The Monkeys. Oh my God, the 18. Does anybody remember the 18? Leave a message if you still remember who the 18s are. Oh my goodness. Look, Inspector Gadget. And Grease. Lawnmower Man. Wow. Mr. Bean. Spider-Man. Knight Rider. Take a look at this. This is the Knight Rider, guys. Total Recall. Shanghai Knights. Indiana Jones. Amazing. Alright guys, so Herbie. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. Starsky and Hutch. Holy moly, they're really going back there, huh? RoboCop. Detroit. Oh, I can see that. And look, the ever famous Back to the Future, the DeLorean. Amazing. Alright guys, so this is called the Great Gatsby. My assumption is the era of the flappers. And there you go. It's so well done. And they're so in such great shape. It's amazing. You know, you think they survived that long. Alright guys, so this is the Chrysler Lounge. And these are really old Chryslers. I mean, when I tell you old, they're really old. There's nothing like a really good classic, big American V8 in terms of sound. But, gotta say, that they have the right Chryslers in here. I mean, Chrysler has made some really crappy cars in the past, so, but they have all the good ones in here. Which I'm just amazed. Look at the size of this thing. I mean, this has got to be like 5,000–6,000 pounds, you know. Amazing. Alright guys, so this is called the muscle cars. So you got cars, my assumption is all big old V8 in here. So Gumball 3000. So the Gumball, it's a intercontinental race from one country through another. I think the cost of gumball now is up to $50,000 per entry in cars, and you have to deliver your own car there. It's amazing. You got the old ones, old Mustangs, Camaros, Firebirds. I wonder when they're gonna bring back the old Trans Ams. That will be nice to have a new Trans Am out there. Corvette, Corvette Stingray. Been in a Stingray before. I mean, years ago. And these things, if you look at it, they're V8s, but even the 350 at the time, they're not outputting a lot of horsepower, but it was still very fast at their time. And here's a Japanese one. Honda. Alright guys, so this is dedicated to Batman's cars and transportation, I guess. Oh, that is so cool. Got two of them here. Oh man. How awesome is this? The old time ones. This is really old. Look at that. It's amazing how far Batman came. Incredible. Alright guys, so this is called Faith Street USA. Or it says Cuba on here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I see. So many of you, you know, if you check out the current Cuba, you know, people actually still drive some of these type of cars. So I see what they're trying to get at. Interesting. These are beautiful cars, but could you imagine how much an upkeep is? Imagine transmission goes on one of these cars, or just even a spark plug, man. Could you imagine getting a spark plug for like these things? How's that gonna work? Alright guys, so this is the reminiscence of the old times where you go cruising. The different colors, Art Deco colors. Beautiful. I can't, like I said, I can't imagine how much it is to upkeep all these cars here. I mean, every now and again you have to start it up, otherwise it falls apart, right? So, we have over 2,000 vehicles here. Imagine that. Alright guys, so this is the military pavilion. Oh my goodness. See, this is really cool. I could spend so much time in here. I'm an old military fanatic. It is so well done here. Part 1. Wow, look at that. Just amazing. Hey, there goes the duck. Here's some Jeeps. So here's a compilation of all the Jeeps. Look at that, you could actually put a mortar in a Jeep. I never knew You could actually do stuff like that. Just amazing. Look at that. Alright guys, so this is the T-Bird. I have a feeling the owner really likes the newer version of T-Birds because there are actually really older version of Thunderbirds that I don't not see in this collection, but it's still pretty cool. I bet he drives some of these all the time. Alright guys, so this is Americana. My guess is they're like, you know, cars like Studebaker and things that we probably have not seen in years or done, like Dodge. They're still around, but like Fraser, the heck is that? I've never heard of that. You know, Edsel, I've never heard of that brand either. So yeah, so I could see that. And you also have this big old caddy. Oldsmobile, gone. Chevrolet's here. Caribbean? What the heck is that? Very nice. They actually have a Harley Davidson section, or actually a biker's section. Christian golfer, Harley Davidson, Indian. It's amazing how well some of these things are. Not even a scratch. Look at that. Alright guys, so this section we have not seen on the outside. Just vehicles that I've never seen, like Saab. Well, are they even around? Saab? Look at that. Lined all the way down. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. Alright guys, so just walking down this aisle. This place is definitely worth the money. You could spend so much time here. It's worth the money. And I've talked to quite a few people and they just love this place. So do I. And it's not like, you know, you spend $100 and $200 on Disney, you could only ride 8 rides. Oh my God, this just alone blows my mind. It is that well done. And if you could get a cheap discount ticket, it's 18 bucks. I paid literally 18 bucks to come in here to the Museum of Automobiles. It's just freaking amazing. I gotta say, I have not had so much fun in a very, very long time. So if you are ever in Orlando, got half a day, seriously, come to Dezerland, come here. This is just an amazing place to really hang out, really, because you will see over 2,000 vehicles in this area, and it blows your mind. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.